Hi everyone, with this video we are going to start quick resume tips series to teach you all about resume writing, tips, and tricks. So our first tip is about how do you build a resume from scratch or with your existing one. So let's get started. Let's start with introduction part. Today, there are many different ways to build a resume. Traditionally, a resume used to be a piece of paper containing your work experience and written in a very basic manner. Since technology evolved, however, methods changed accordingly. Now, there are three main ways to create a resume. They are Microsoft Word, Word template, and hiring a professional writer. Let's have a look at the pros and cons of each. Let's move on to first method. Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is one of the most popular resume builders to date. It's part of Microsoft Office suite. Let's take a look at its pros and cons. If we talk about Word pros, main thing is its customizing ability. If you're good at it, you can customize the resume as much as you want in order to stand out. So what are the cons of using Word as a resume building method? First one is hard to use. If you want anything other than a basic column resume, you'll have to do extensive research on formatting. The second one is it's time consuming. Creating a resume from scratch using Word might take a while, especially if you're handling the formatting. Let's move on to next. Next method is using Word template to build your resume. While Word is known for being hard to deal with, the right template can make your job a lot easier. Some templates are free, while others cost up to $100. There's a wide variety in terms of templates, and there are a lot of different designs and formats you could opt for. Let's see Word template pros. They are easy to use. As opposed to building a resume completely from scratch, a template allows you to just fill in the blanks, which save you a ton of time. The next one is, there are a wide variety of options to choose in templates. They are vary from layout, font type, colors, and also they are depend on the position you applying. For instance, graphic designers' resumes normally very creative ones. Now let's see Word template cons. Mainly it's formatting issues. If your experience section is longer than what the template allows, for example, it will mess up the formatting completely. And next thing is they're possibly expensive. While a lot of templates are free, the good ones can cost quite a lot. But if you are brave enough to take some time and search through internet, you can find pretty good templates. Feel free to check our templates, they are totally free. Next method is to hire professional resume writer to get done your resume. While Word is the most popular way of creating a resume, it wasn't created with that goal in mind. In fact, the most efficient way to create a resume is by hiring a professional. Hiring a professional writer makes you more confident with your resume. It's your marketing document. They write resumes specifically with the purpose of creating a pristine document that gets you hired. They tend to make formatting much easier, as all you have to do is to send simple text document with your all information that you want be on your resume. According to your requirement, he or she will remove or add relevant information to stand out your resume. Now let's see what are the pros and cons of hiring a professional writer. First, let's see pros of hiring a professional writer. Most of time they are friendly and easy to work with. Most of them have their own templates that you can choose before you start. You can find inexpensive deals if you search through internet. There are some people with high asking prices, but internet has wide variety of options. The next advantage is, if you request that you need your resume to be compatible with application tracking systems, he or she will create your resume with applicant tracking systems in mind. Now let's see what are cons of hiring a professional writer. Most of time, it's expensive. But as I mentioned earlier, if you search over internet, you can find pretty good deals. You can find comprehensive guide, Resume Breakdown 2020, about resume writing in our website. It's step-by-step guide about all you need to know about writing your resume. Also, you can find more information about resume writing, cover letters, and LinkedIn optimizations. Visit our website, www.thecareermark.com. Also, you can find us on Facebook and Instagram with username @thecareermark.